What happens when you take America's most capable heavy-duty truck, inject it with pure adrenaline, and build it to celebrate 250 years of American independence? You get this. The Hennessey VelociRaptor 1200 F-250. It's big, it's loud, it costs as much as a house, and it is absolutely terrifying. Today, we aren't just reviewing a truck, we are reviewing a weapon of mass construction. Buckle up. Why does this thing exist? America is turning 250 years old. Hennessey Performance decided that a cake wasn't enough. They decided to build a monument. But they didn't build it out of marble. They built it out of steel, aluminum, and carbon fiber. This is a limited production run. Hennessey is only building 250 units for the entire world, one for every year of independence. This isn't just a Ford F-250 Lariat anymore. It has been transformed, re-engineered, and lifted to the sky. If you see one of these on the road, take a picture, because you are looking at a rolling collector's item that screams patriotism from every tailpipe. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room. The name is VelociRaptor 1200. If you know Hennessey, you're expecting 1,200 horsepower, right? Hennessey did something different here. They looked at the stock Ford 6.7-liter high-output power-stroke V8 turbo diesel and realized it was already a masterpiece. They didn't touch the engine internals. Why? Because this stock block already pushes 500 horsepower and a bone-crushing 1,200 pound-feet of torque. Do you understand what 1,200 pounds FT feels like? It doesn't feel like a sports car. It feels like a freight train. It feels like you are tethered to the horizon and someone is reeling you in. Hennessey kept the powertrain warranty intact, but unleashed its potential with the rest of the build. This isn't about hitting 200 miles per hour. This is about towing a mountain, moving a house, or pulling the moon out of orbit. It is raw, unadulterated pulling power. Power is useless if you can't put it to the ground. And this is where the Hennessey magic truly happens. Look at this stance. This truck is towering over traffic thanks to a massive 5-inch lift kit. But this isn't some cheap eBay spacer lift. We are talking about a full BDS suspension system paired with Fox 2.5 coilover shocks with remote reservoirs. These shocks are race-proven. They soak up potholes like they don't exist, and they make room for the massive footprint. Hennessey's custom 18-inch wheels wrapped in gigantic 37-inch off-road tires. When you drive this, you don't look at other drivers. You look at their roofs. It gives you a sense of invincibility that is honestly addictive. You aren't just driving on the road, you are conquering it. The first thing you notice is the carbon fiber. The hood isn't just metal, it's a vented VelociRaptor carbon fiber piece that looks like it belongs on a fighter jet. Then, you have the armor, the factory bumpers, gone, replaced with heavy-duty VelociRaptor steel bumpers, front and rear. Integrated into that steel jaw is a 40-inch LED light bar. Because when you're this big, you need to turn night into day at the flip of a switch. Add in the color-matched fender flares, the painted mirror caps, and the massive Hennessey badging across the tailgate. This truck has zero bad angles. It is aggressive, it is wide, and it commands respect. Open the door, climb up, bring a ladder, and the aggression turns into pure luxury. Inside, Hennessey reminds you that you are special. The seats are reupholstered in premium leather with Alcantara inserts. The red contrast stitching screams performance, but the most important thing is right here. Serial number 1 of this plaque is why this truck costs $135,000. You are buying membership into an elite club. You aren't just a truck owner, you are a custodian of history. This interior balances the brutal exterior with the comfort of a private jet. So, is the Hennessey VelociRaptor 1200 F-250 necessary? Absolutely not. Is it excessive? Yes. Is it expensive? Very. But that is exactly the point. This truck represents everything we love about American automotive culture. It's big, it's loud, and it makes no apologies for being the toughest thing on 4 wheels. For America's 250th birthday, Hennessey didn't just bring a gift, they brought the party. Thanks for watching. Smash that subscribe button if you love diesel power, and tell me in the comments, is 1,200 pounds FT enough for you? I'll see you in the next one.